Discover self-healing using the potential of your own body. International Yoga Day 2021.
Yoga is giving us not only the physical strength, but also mental balance and emotional stability to confidently negotiate the challenges before us.
Greetings to all yoga enthusiasts all over the world. Yoga is not just a set of exercises, it is a path of self-discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body.
Yoga is the perfect health and wellness module as it is comprehensive and holistic in its nature. Yogic principles of wellness help to strengthen and develop positive health, enabling the individuals to withstand stress and its consequences better.
Yoga has multiple solutions. Solutions to prevent diseases, solutions to recover quickly, solutions to get over anxiety and stress related issues.
Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline. It's an art and science of healthy living. Yoga brings harmony between mind and body, man and nature. The ultimate aim of yoga sadhana is to overcome all kinds of suffering, leading to a sense of freedom.
Namaskar. Hello and a warm welcome to our series on yoga. In this series leading up to the International Day of Yoga, we try and understand different aspects of yoga and its multiple benefits. In the episode today, our focus is on a simple yet very crucial issue of healthy respiration. Now, we live in an age of healthy industrialization and excessive number of automobiles emanating various pollutants leading to poor air quality. The situation worsens in the winter months with the advent of smog. Increasingly, a large number of people are complaining of breathlessness, asthma and various other respiratory issues. The elderly and the very young are especially at risk. The common yoga protocol for healthy respiration has been designed to address these issues and facilitate the process of healthy respiration. Let's find out more from our experts.
A fresh breath is a luxury today. Sometimes due to the atmosphere, sometimes due to one's pathological restrictions. There has been a steep rise in people dying due to asthma. In an era of COVID-19, maintaining a healthy respiratory system not only remains a luxury but becomes necessity. In order to prevent, protect and repossess oneself from ill effects of respiratory complications, yoga has been found to be instrumental. We are going to discuss and elaborate the practices included in common yoga protocol which are useful in improving respiration. Yoga practices aim at regulating the breathing pattern which smoothens and improves respirations. Yoga practices also induce hyperventilation by practicing these set of yogasanas and pranayama techniques, there will be a perceptible improvement in our breathing efficiency, leading to holistic health and well-being.
Respiratory system is vital part of human body. It provides oxygen to each and every cell and remove carbon dioxide from the body. Yogic practice improves respiratory system. Yogic practice improves lung function. It improves the vital capacity, maximum ventilatory volume, and yogic practice increase the respiratory muscle strength, also increase the thoracic cavity. Yogic practice increase the air exchange and improve the circulation of the respiratory system. Yogic practice improve the immunity power of the lungs as well as full body.
Sangachadvam samvadadvam samvo manamsi janatam deva bhagam yatha purve Sanjanana upasate
Now we will practice some loosening practices. We will start with neck movements, forward and backward neck bending. Stand with the feet 2 to 3 inches apart. Keep the hands side beside the body. This is called Samasthiti. Place the palms on your waist. While exhaling, move the head forward and try to touch the chin to the chest. While inhaling, move the head up and bend backward comfortably. Inhale, come in a center. This is one round. We'll repeat one more round. Exhale, move the head forward. Inhale, move the head back. Inhale, come in a center. Shoulder rotation. Place the fingers on the respective shoulders. Rotate both the elbows in a circular manner. While inhaling, raise the elbows and bring them down while exhaling. Repeat one more round. Inhale up, exhale down. Now we will do same in a reverse manner. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale, bring your arms back to the normal position and relax. Chest expansion practice. Keep the legs comfortably apart and hands by the side of the body. Raise both the arms up to the shoulder level. and join your palms together. Inhale, slowly take your arms and head back and try to expand your chest as much as possible for you. Exhale, bring the arms back to the front. Repeat one more time. Inhale, take your arms back, expand your chest comfortably. Exhale, bring the arms back to the front. Bring your arms down and relax. Trunk movement. Keep the legs shoulder width apart. Inhale, raise both the arms up to the shoulder level, palms facing each other and keep them parallel. Exhale, twist your body to the right so that your left palm comes close to the right shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your body to the left. Inhale, come back. This is one round. Repeat one more time. Exhale, twist your body to the right. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, twist yourself towards the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bring your arms back to the normal position. Join your feet together and relax. Urdhva Hasottanasana. Stand in a samsthiti. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, raise your arms above the head. Stretch your body up and maintain the position for a while. Now slowly exhale, keep your palms on your head and relax your shoulders. Inhale, slowly turn your palms and raise your arms above the head. Keep your elbows straight. While exhaling, bend your body towards the right. Try to keep your head between the arms. Inhale, come to the center. Stretch up. Exhale, bend towards the left side. Inhale, come back. Release the interlock and bring your arms down. Relax. Shashakasana. Sit in a Vajrasana. Spread both the knees wide apart. Keep the big toes touching. Inhale, keep the palms between the knees. Exhale, bend forward and place the chin on the ground. Try to keep both the elbows parallel and maintain the posture for a while with the normal breathing. Inhale, come back. Join your knees together and rest in a Vajrasana. Utthana Mandukasana. Sit in a Vajrasana. Spread both the knees wide apart while big toes touching each other. Raise your arms up. Bend from the elbows and place the palms on the opposite shoulder blades. Keep your head straight. Maintain the posture with the normal breathing. Inhale, slowly raise your arms. Exhale, bring your arms down. Join your knees together and rest in a Vajrasana. Makarasana. Lying down on your stomach with feet together and palms by the side of the body. Now, bend both the arms and place the right palm on the left palm. Feet comfortably wide apart, toes pointing outwards. Place your cheek on the hands. Now gently close your eyes and relax the whole body. Stretch your body forward. Now keep your chin on the ground. Bend your elbows and keep your palms beside the chest. Inhale slowly. Lift the head and chest up to the navel region. Try to keep your elbows close to the body and maintain the posture with the normal breathing. Exhale, slowly come back. Rest in a Makarasana. Adopt the hands position, legs apart, cheek on the hands. Close your eyes and relax the whole body. Saral Matsyasana. Lying down on your back with feet together and arms beside the body. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, place your palms below the shoulders. Inhale slowly, lift your chest up and try to take your head inside as much as you can. While exhaling, bring your arms back. Keep your palms on your thighs and rest your elbows to the ground. Maintain the posture with the normal breathing. Slowly come back with the help of your both the arms. Slowly bring your arms back. Feet apart, palms facing upward, and rest in a Shavasana. Shavasana. Lying down on your back with feet together and palms beside the body. While inhaling, stretch the arms over the head. Stretch the whole body. Exhale, bring your arms back near to the hip. Legs comfortably apart, toes pointing outward, and turn your palms upward towards the sky. Keep your head straight. Gently close your eyes and relax the body for 3 breaths. Let us practice Shodhan Kriyas. Vataneti. Sit in any comfortable posture. Gently close your eyes and place your palms in a Gyan Mudra on the respective knees. Keep your spine straight, slightly chin upwards. Inhale deeply, then start rapid inhalation and exhalation for 30 seconds. Deep exhale and relax. Feel the change in the nasal passage and forehead. Kapalabhati. Keep the back and the neck straight. Inhale deeply and expel the breath with forceful contraction of the abdominal muscles. Active exhalation and passive inhalation for 30 seconds. Start the first round. Take a deep breath inside. Complete exhale and relax. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your eyes closed and keep your spine and head straight. Relax the body with a few deep breaths. Now, make a pranayama mudra with your right hand. Bring the mudra close to the nostrils. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. This is one round. We'll repeat one more round. Inhale slowly through the left nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale through the left nostril. Bring your arm back in a Gyan Mudra. Dhyana. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your spine and head straight. Gently adopt Dhyan Mudra. Arms and shoulders should be loose and relaxed. Sit with a slightly upturned face. Maintain a mild focus between the eyebrows and be conscious of the breath Observe each and every natural breath. Try to dissolve thoughts. Meditate. Let us end the session with the Shanti Path. Gently join your palms in a Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Take a deep breath inside. Chant 1 time Om, 3 times Shanti. Gently open your eyes and bring your arms down.
It is a harsh truth of our times that the environment we live and breathe in is far from ideal. The advancement in our lifestyle has come to an incalculable cost of damage to the environment. It is only by adoption of yogic practices in our lives that we will advance towards holistic health and well-being. By practicing these simple yet very effective breathing techniques and asanas, we can breathe normally and effortlessly the way it is meant to be. Sometimes the simplest changes in our lifestyle can bring about a world of difference to our health and well-being. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope it was of benefit to you. Stay safe and take care. Namaskar.